Good morning, my friends. I know that we are in an undesirable situation today. People are quite anxious around. I pray everyone stays safe. Let's move on to today's video. Today's recipe is called Prawn Envelope. Heat 4 tablespoons oil in a pan. Add chopped onion, garlic, green chilies and ginger in it. Add marinated prawns in it, which was marinated with salt and turmeric for 20 minutes at least. Add salt to taste, turmeric powder, red chili powder, cumin powder and stir for more 5 minutes. Take refined flour and wheat flour in 1:4 ratio. Add little bit salt and 1 tablespoon oil in it. Cover and let it rest for 20 minutes. Cut 4 equal balls from the dough. When the cooked prawns gets cool, put it in a mixing jar and make a coarse paste. Make thin big rotis from the dough balls. Take the prawn mix and spread it evenly with the help of a spoon. Fold the 4 sides of the roti. Take a bowl, beat 3 eggs in it, add salt, red chili powder, coriander leaves with it. Heat up refined oil. Put one envelope at a time and fry it from both the sides. Then spread little amount of beaten egg from the top. Your prawn envelope is ready to serve.